If you want to run diagnostics for a Samsung A36 5G, you have to start by opening settings and then scroll down. And you have to open device care settings. Right now, you will have to go for diagnostics, tap on it once. When you are opening this for the first time, you will have to accept permission into Samsung members. And as you can see right here, we can find phone diagnostics, app battery usage, and app safety diagnostics. So if something is not working properly on your phone, let's select, for example, this one. Here you will get checked for every function that you have on your phone. So all you have to do right now is just to wait until you reach here 21, checked for every sensors, features, and specs of your phone. After this, on the screen, you will get final result. If there's something not working properly, then you can follow on-screen instructions and you will be able to actually, fix this. And as you can see in this case, when you got camera set up, we have to allow this permission. So select Y using this application, and you have to do this actually for every permission that will pop up. You will have to allow every permission that will pop on the screen. It's necessary to run this diagnostic, like for example, into the location. So yeah, as you can see, that's how it looks, and thanks for watching.